guys, this is Fletcher Macon doing a review on the M41 airsoft gun. So this is the gun. It uses 6mm BB bullets. It's a heavy adz gun, and it's made by BS. It takes 6mm bullets, and its range is about 40 to 50 meters from like when you shoot it. But because I've had this for like 3 years, it's like gone down quite a lot, so maybe to about 20 or 30, but it's still quite good. Its accuracy, when you first buy it, it's really good, and it has this wee sight down here, which you might be able to see. You might be able to see down the wee sight there. And I actually had the laser sight that hooked up there, but it was pretty crap, so I took it off. And it's single shot action, so you just like pump it and shoot it, and it takes 21 bullets in the mag here, and then you slide it in, and then this is safety, so you can't fire it. So you pump it, and then there's some target shooting, so you pump it. This can is taking quick. Oh my god. Holy shit. What the heck? Wait. Oh my god. I'm not done. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Bye.